move in?
Oh, thank you. Everything went 2 weeks ago.
It's certainly better than the old one.
Yes, but it could be worse. Hey mate, what's your problem?
I can't drink this coffee.
It's normal coffee.
But if you don't buy fair trade coffee, you're supporting slavery.
What are you about?
The big trading companies are literally stealing their whole harvest from the farmers and give them hardly any money.
Do you really care about them?
Yes, I do.
Come on, get the hell out.
You will always get what you pay for.